Welcome to the Hilti Profis Engineering Suite to Revit integration tutorial. It will just take a moment to walk through how to export your base plate design from Profis Engineering Suite to Revit. First, locate the Revit Profis Engineering plugin installation file provided to you by your local Hilti representative and ensure Revit is not running on your computer. Run the plugin installation file to install the Revit Profis Engineering plugin. Once installed, start Revit and open an existing project or create a new one. Navigate to the header bar and click the Profis Engineering plugin button. You'll be prompted to log in using your Hilti Profis Engineering credentials. Next, click the Update Database button and fill out the updater with your project-specific information. Once you click the Update button, you'll be prompted to close Revit. Close Revit and click the Update button to complete the process. When it's finished, start Revit one more time and open your previous project. At this point, you're ready to open Hilti Profis Engineering Suite and begin creating the designs that you'd like to export to Revit. If you create your design with advanced base plate, you'll need to click the Calculate button before you export. When your design is complete, click the Export button and select the Profis file to third-party plugins option. Now open Revit and make sure you have the Profis Engineering plugin selected in the header. Click the Available Designs button and a new window will appear on the right side of the application. Select your base plate design and then highlight the profile where you want to import the base plate. When ready, click the Add Base Plate button to complete the action. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information, please visit profisengineering.hilti.com.